live right now to Rahul Gandhi, who's speaking on the occasion of Constitution Day.
लाखों लोग, उसमें दलित, आदिवासी, पिछड़े वर्ग के लोग, गरीब जनरल कास्ट के लोग, माइनॉरिटी के लोग, सब लोग हैं। और तेलंगाना की जनता ने सेंसस डिजाइन किया है। ऐतिहासिक कदम है। और जो हम तेलंगाना में कर रहे हैं, जहां भी हमारी सरकार आएगी, जिस स्टेट में, चाहे कर्नाटक हो, तेलंगाना हो, और आने वाले समय में जहां भी हमारी सरकार आएगी, हम उसी प्रकार से जाति जनगणना को करेंगे। आएंगे, वहां भी आएंगे। जाति जनगणना क्यों? क्योंकि अगर हम हिंदुस्तान के पॉपुलेशन को देखें तो पूरा देश जानता है कि 15% दलित आबादी है, 8% आदिवासी हैं, तकरीबन 15% माइनॉरिटीज हैं। मगर पिछड़े वर्ग के कितने लोग हैं कोई नहीं जानता। लोग कहते हैं कि पिछड़े वर्ग के तकरीबन 50% हैं, कोई कहता है 55 हैं, अलग अलग स्टेट्स में अलग है। मगर पिछड़ा वर्ग 50% से कम नहीं है। कितना है कोई नहीं जानता है। तो अगर आप जोड़ लें, 50% पिछड़ा वर्ग हो गया, 15% दलित, तकरीबन 8% आदिवासी, 15% माइनॉरिटी, तो तकरीबन 90% हिंदुस्तान की आबादी इन वर्गों में से आती है। उसमें आप 5%
Okay, audio gone there from Rahul Gandhi's mic, which has gone off. Recurring problem, it seems, for the Congress, because just last week, when Rahul Gandhi was holding that news briefing on the Adani Bribegate controversy, his mic had gone off, and then he'd, of course, taken a taunt saying, don't know if this is Modi power or Adani power. Now, again, at the Congress Samvidhan event, his mic has gone off, and they're just waiting to fix that technical glitch there. You see the crowds that have gathered. This is a massive event by the Congress on the occasion of Constitution Day. They're saying that this is a Save Samvidhan event, and that's why you've got Rahul Gandhi attacking the Modi government, saying Prime Minister Modi hasn't read the constitution, also making a pitch for caste census. You can see the crowd up on their feet chanting and raising slogans to make up for the fact that the mics have gone off and Rahul Gandhi's speech has been cut off. Let's cut across live. Congress workers, they're attempting to make up for the serious faux pas there on stage where you've got the mics going off. Some technical glitch, it seems, that they're attempting to fix right now, right through Rahul Gandhi's speech, that this has happened. And like I said, this is the second time in a week that Rahul Gandhi is facing this particular problem at a Congress event of the mic going off. Right now, you can see many of the Congress workers up on their feet chanting slogans of and praising Rahul Gandhi. He was through his speech on the occasion of Constitution Day on Samvidhan Divas, speaking also at the Save Constitution event that the Congress has lined up. You can see all of the Congress workers frantically trying to figure out what's gone wrong. Many of them on their feet have moved off from their seats on the stage as well. All of them trying to really figure out what's gone wrong. Only on stage now is Telangana Chief Minister Revanth Reddy, Congress Chief Mallikarjun Kharge, as they're trying to figure out how to fix this technical glitch. All the other Congress workers there up on their feet trying to save Rahul Gandhi from, in fact, this moment when right through his speech the mic's gone off. So they're all chanting slogans, heaping praise on Rahul Gandhi. We're going to track the latest. Whenever we get the audio back, whenever this technical glitch is fixed, we'll get you those live updates of Rahul's speech.